start of the Arctic Circle Trail here in Greenland. We got our little half moon red here. To note that. It's about 2:30 in the morning. We're close to the hut. Starting to feel that fatigue now, but I cannot wait to get these shoes off. Day 2-ish, 3. I got it super late yesterday, so we ended up just chilling out throughout the night. We're gonna come in today and see if we can make it past the cave center and all that. Here's the nice little hut here. We got this lake, beautiful lake. Snow-capped mountains is probably not picking that up. Taking a break halfway through to the canoe center. About 8 miles in, it's the canoe center. We got rain clouds coming in from over here. Pack is all geared up. I'm rain geared down. Let's get ready for a storm. Made it to the canoe center. We're about to head out on the trail again. We took a fat nap here. Journaled for a while. Took care of my blistered feet. Pack is all packed again. It's around, I think, 3 in the morning. And the sun is still coming up. Midnight sun is hut number 3. Top of this little mountain. Boots drying out. Gator socks. Yeah, almost done. Actually, not almost done. We still have a lot more to go, but going good. Descending into the river valley. But this valley is really gorgeous, and the hut we're going to be on should be atop of a fjord. Just super exciting. We are cruising on this trail. I don't even know what day it is. I feel like we've just been taking naps and moving, and we took a 6-hour nap today. It's not even a nap, it's like a full-on sleep. 6 hours, it's like a bedtime. Then we're gonna hopefully get a full night's rest in tonight after this, and it's 40 miles to Simpson. Look at that. And the river crossing. For here we have the sign that says the river bridge is that way. Not sure if there's an actual real trail, but we'll figure that out. Sitting in the dead center of a floodplain. It's probably going to take us a little bit longer to get out, but we're halfway through the floodplain, so that just means stepping through a lot more marsh and bog. Hopefully it's not too bad. All right, forded the river last night, and that was up to my hips here. It was very scary. Across, got a pile of dead deer carcasses. We got fjording over here, and here's our little hut we stayed in. It's around the mountains. We're about to head up. We got a warm breeze today. Hoping to crank in at least 20 miles today. I am a little sick, but we'll see how I feel in a little while. Just a little break spot right here. Bogs are wearing me out. View is beautiful though. Oh my goodness. Nice big mountains over over here. Still got big mountains behind me. We're hut for the night tonight. It's around 9 p.m. Finally made it in. We left around noon today, so it's a pretty good time. Although it was quite a long day. It was supposed to 13 and a half, I think. And 13 and a half takes forever here. Oh my gosh. But this hut's cute and this view's amazing. So it should be a good night. 6 a.m. Beautiful morning. We just crossed a couple snowfields. Now we're back on the trail here where it's easier to get across. It's a little boggy, but a little bit easier. We got a lot more snow to go through today. We got one more bump, and then it's 7 miles downhill, which sounds pretty exciting, honestly. But I'm kind of worried about the snowpack on the other side. But this is gorgeous. All the mountains. Wow. This campsite seems to be covered in trash all over the place. All right, we're at the last hut here. We're saying goodbye. Hasta la vista. See ya never again. Thank you, Arctic Circle Trail, and your nice warm huts. Camped out on this little fjord this morning. A little chilly. We got a fucking pass to go over. It's gonna be real good. Be a real good day. Even though it's fucking late, it's okay. Hotel later, maybe. If not, we'll cowboy camp on the street. All right. Traversing across a bunch of snowfields. The path goes up on the top of this ridge over here,